Hi, my name is Brooke Smith, and I'm a first-year student at Alma College. I'm originally from Ionia, Michigan, and I'm studying special education and elementary education, and I'm thinking about maybe law as a minor. So Criterion Reference Test measures performance and evaluates what the student has learned from this curriculum. A formative assessment monitors students' learning, displays student strengths and weaknesses. A summative assessment shows evolution of a student's learning, and it's high stakes. A familiar example that I think we can all look at would be either the ACT or the SAT. We've all taken it at some point or the other. Triangulation is an evolution tool, and it uses multiple sources to accurately display the results from these tests. The Brigance math placement is when students are given a packet with math questions, and the students complete the packet to the best of their ability, and they must have 80% or higher to continue on to the next grade level. My student is a 6th grader, and they passed every level and up until grade 4. And then using these results, I can tell that I know this child is at a 4th grade math level as a 6th grader, and I know that they need to be retaught some of the content that 4th graders learn. The student mostly struggled with decimals and fractions, so I would, as a 6th grade teacher, I could reteach this lesson as a quote-unquote refresher for all the students, but deep down it's to initially teach the one student. And once I see that that initial student is struggling with this, we can go over and over again until it is stuck in their head. And from doing this project and taking this Education 150 class, I've learned a lot. I've learned to be very understanding. Everyone is different, everyone has different needs. And that I learned that disability is not a one-size-fits-all term, as previously stated. Everybody is so different and everybody's needs are so different. It's really more of a complex situation. And finally, I learned how to give a Brigance test, which is going to be really useful for me in the future when I have my own classroom and I need to do initial test takings to figure out where somebody is at, like emotionally, physically, mentally, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you.